Gayle Cricket Club beat Mango Valley by 84 runs as the St. Mary T20 League bowled off on Sunday with 3 matches. In the first game of a doubleheader at the Three Hills playing ground, Gayle posted 206 for 4 batting first. Ashana Aarons was the top scorer with 65. He was supported by Trevon Williams, who got 42, and Robert Bailey, an unbeaten 37. Nedroy Pinnock was the pick of the bowlers, bagging 3 for 39. Despite a knock of 51 from skipper Michael Bell-Navis, Mango Valley were bowled out for 122 in reply. Marcodine Dunn chipped in with 22 as Gihon Murdoch, Ted Lane Johan, that's Noyan, and Noyan and Jermaine Chisholm took 2 wickets each.
That is a plus. Good spell from Jermaine Chisholm as always. Teddy Noyan, a little young national, under 15 national, that play under 15, come and bowl well to get 2 wickets and for us to restrict Mango Valley for 122 runs.
We are coming on strong for the next game. The next game we are against Three Hills in Mango Valley. So we are going to try our best to come and victorious the next game.
In the second game, Port Maria got home by 3 runs over Three Hills in a high-scoring contest. Tracy and Carla hit 92 from 49 balls as Port Maria posted 223 for 7. Jordan Nemhard chipped in with 86 from 40 balls as Orlando Rice claimed 4 for 29. In reply, Three Hills were restricted to 220 for 7. Rice returned to crack 71 from 37 deliveries and was assisted by Sashane Anderson, 59, and Garnet Brown, 25. O'Neill Preston took 3 for 27 for Port Maria, while Nkala and Claudius Thompson had 2 wickets each. Meanwhile, Geddes Town United All-Stars had a 5-wicket win over Jacks River in the third game on the day. Darian Walker claimed 4 for 16 and Richard Gray 3 for 22 as Jacks River were dismissed for 116. Shamar Edwards made 26. In reply, Geddes Town got to their target with 6 overs and 5 balls remaining in their 118 for 5. Dalton Howell made 24 and Dwayne Hamilton 21 against O'Shawn Ennis 3 for 32. 8 teams divided into 2 zones are taking part for a winning purse of $50,000.